Different ways to apply CSS. Now that we understand what CSS is and why it plays a crucial role in web development, it's time to explore how we can apply CSS to a web page. CSS is highly flexible and can be added to HTML documents in multiple ways, each with its unique use case and advantages. Inline CSS. Adding styles directly to individual HTML elements. Internal CSS. Defining styles within the style tag inside the HTML document. External CSS. Writing styles in a separate CSS file and linking it to the HTML document. Let's explore these methods and understand when to use each one. Inline CSS, applying styles directly to an element. What is inline CSS? Inline CSS allows developers to apply styles directly to an individual HTML element using the style attribute within the opening tag. When to use inline CSS? When you want to style a single element without affecting other parts of the page. When making quick changes or testing styles. When adding unique styles that won't be reused elsewhere. Limitations of inline CSS. It's not reusable. It's harder to maintain and it clutters the HTML structure, making it less organized. Inline CSS is like writing notes directly on a book page. It's quick but not reusable and can make things messy over time. Internal CSS, styling within the HTML document. What is internal CSS? Internal CSS allows you to define styles within the style tag inside the head section of an HTML document. These styles apply only to that particular HTML page. When to use internal CSS? When styling a single web page without affecting others. When external CSS is not an option, e.g., simple projects or restricted environments. When adding styles specific to a particular page that won't be needed elsewhere. Limitations of internal CSS. It's not ideal for large websites. If multiple pages need the same styles, you'll have to duplicate CSS across different pages. Internal CSS is like painting a single room inside a house while leaving the rest unchanged. It works, but it's not efficient for larger spaces. External CSS, linking a separate style sheet. What is external CSS? External CSS is the most efficient way to apply styles, especially for larger projects. The CSS rules are written in a separate CSS file, which is linked to multiple HTML documents using the link tag. When to use external CSS? When designing multiple web pages that share the same styles. When maintaining a clean HTML structure by keeping style rules separate. When aiming for scalability and easier updates. Advantages of external CSS. Improves website performance. The CSS file is downloaded once and applied across all pages. It enhances code organization. It encourages reusability. Limitations of external CSS. The browser needs to load the CSS file separately, which may slightly affect performance on slow connections. External CSS is like using a style guide for branding. Once you define the rules, they apply across all company materials, ensuring consistency.